Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to set up gamma settings in Forever Winter. Firstly, open Options, click Display, scroll down and find here Gamma. Click Open Gamma Settings, and here we should set the picture up in the way when picture here will be barely visible. So of course I think you don't see this picture on the recording, so in your case all pictures are the same, but in my case this rabbit or maybe dog, I don't know what that stayed barely visible in this point only. So, for example, for me, these settings, this position of the switcher will be the best. But you should set it up when this picture will be barely visible. So, that's it. Click Escape and scroll. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.